where you can learn more about our amazing Brooker event.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Mulgrew. I'm an alum from the class of 2002. We would like to welcome you to come to the open house. You could learn more about the robotics team. This year we are sponsored by the Department of Defense and Apple.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hume, and I'm the Director of the Health and Wellness Program at Catalina, and I would like to invite you to come to the open house to learn a little bit more about our Health and Wellness Initiative. And one of the things that our student committee is responsible for is the refurbishment of this beautiful health center.
We're Burrito! We're Reaver!
We're Echo!
We're Accents! We're Lady Rhythmics! Come to the open house to learn more about our clubs! Come to open house to learn more about our sports teams.